This task had to do with organization and organizational skills. And as we all know, college requires a lot of organization. It's a major transition to life prior to college because students are responsible for managing time, for completing a lot of activities that they haven't necessarily had to complete in conjunction with the full-time class load. So this activity would have rules that changed along the way. In one instance, you might be catching a certain object. In another instance, the directions are to look for a certain color. But the major distraction here was that the directions were changing all the time. And this relates to students who do struggle with organization, with or without a disability. So it doesn't necessarily mean struggling with organization means a student has a disability. And there are services available, such as tutoring, student success coaching, and so on, that are available to all students, whether or not they present with a disability. But some students, for example, a student who has attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or maybe struggles with an anxiety or depressive disorder, may really struggle with organizing. I have an assignment due in this class, and I have a test on Friday in this class, and I have a midterm paper that's going to be due in 3 weeks, and how to juggle all those tasks at once. So a student who has a disability in that area may really struggle with those activities, may ask you more questions about when things are due, or ask for ideas on how to organize or structure projects. If they have a formal disability, we may provide accommodations to assist with that, but that would be on a case-by-case basis, and then we would give specific ideas or accommodations to assist students with that particular struggle with which they present. So please keep in mind, this is, again, about universal access, and if students have struggles, we're always going to refer them to who we can to help them with that adjustment. But if a student has an identifiable disability, and we have verified it through our office, we'll provide accommodation recommendations to faculty members, and that's designed to assist, and it may be related to these types of organizational issues.